We focused on affordable engine management for small engines, and this was because electronic engine management has been used to great effect to enable engines like automotive engines and engines bigger than that, truck engines, this kind of thing, to achieve very, very good emissions performance through accurate controlling of fuel delivery and ignition requirements. And that technology has not been made available to the small engine market at a cost that is acceptable to the final products that those engines go in. And we're talking here about small motorcycles up to about 250cc for low-cost commuter transport, and lawn mowers and generators and other lawn and garden type equipment, both consumer and professional. So those engines are still running with very, very old technology, and the per kilowatt hour emissions and the general usability of the products are a long way behind what we're used to today with our automotive products.
This isn't a greenwash. This is coming from the top. You know, and so obviously if we can produce a product that can sell to a mass market and clean up the environment and all the other things that it does, that's a big plus for all of us. From the moment I walked in, I thought, this is a product which I want to see people demanding. They will go to the shop and say, I want one with a Scion-Sprays box inside, and that will be, you know, even the least engineering-minded person. It will be basically as buying a computer. You know, I want Intel inside, and that's what I want to see for this company, because I think it is quite a simple concept to grasp. I mean, obviously there's a lot of technology in the product, but for your man, woman in the street, it's, you know, basically it's easy to start, it's clean, it cuts down emissions, and you know, so I think that's something that will be mass market appeal.
Carburettor, which works on some excellent principles and has served us very well and is a brilliant instrument for what it does, ultimately won't come through into the new and clean age with the way we're looking at emissions of controlled substances today. So an alternative has to be found. Otherwise, some other technology will leapfrog the entire internal combustion engine for those applications, and really that would be a great shame, because the internal combustion engine is still the most suitable way of powering those kind of products.
Yeah, particularly with the sort of huge expansion in the Asian markets, I think this is going to be everywhere wants their countries to be clean. They don't want to have to spend a lot of money doing it. This is a product that answers all those problems. I mean, the whole company is entirely customer focused. The customer is the one who tells us what they would like, and that's what we do. But the entire company is customer focused, and I think it's always quite a sort of pleasant shock to them that there is no sort of you can only talk to such and such a department once you've been in such and such a department. It's basically, you know, we're all here and we're all ready to you know, help in whatever way we can. I think that's must be very attractive for people coming from, you know, huge corporations where probably there is a bit of sort of, you know, interdepartmental rivalry or whatever, or politics going on. There isn't that here.
We originally developed the yellow box approach for the ECU as an identifier for our product and our company while we were in development. And originally, because we came from an automotive OEM background, we didn't perceive it likely that the yellow box would be something that would finally make its way through to production. But the more time we spent with the yellow box and the more people who have seen it, the more we start to see that this could be something that the manufacturers could well adopt in order to create an identity for their engine, to show that it has this new technology on it. And it could very well be that you'll see these yellow boxes on motorcycles and lawn mowers all over the world before too long. I certainly hope so.